Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnot24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we're very excited to be unbagging the Grams28 leather bags that I got from them. The leather is very nice. It's black leather. These are carry bags that I'll be using for the iPad Pro that I have, but you can use it for really anything. And then they also sent along this nice leather piece here. So it has a pocket opening there, and then this has a sleeve opening here, another one here, and a smaller one up here. And you might notice these numbers, they're individually numbered. So that's for this bag right here, that's for this bag right here, the individual numbers. So if you see this product on Instagram or Twitter or YouTube, you'll see these individualized numbers. So what we like about this, it's very nice leather. It's like kit glove leather. It's very nice. So this is the bag for the iPad, but you could put really anything in it. You could put a MacBook Air in it. You could put MacBook Pro if it's small enough in here. So you have one pocket up here in front, and then a very nice zipper. And then going inside, much bigger space here. And then you have a smaller pocket right there. So there's two pockets inside, so you could carry an iPad here, and then you could put the keyboard back here, or a cover, or something else. Or you could even put this Grams28 leather piece right here in the back as well. We like the big zipper. It has a nice pull tab on it. The zipper is nice and smooth both ways, as you can see. And I can't wait to use this for my iPad Pro because it deserves something really nice like this. This is from Grams28. You can follow me on Twitter at 24K and on Instagram as well at 24K. Thank you.